morning, friends. Welcome back to the homestead. And excuse the squeaky voice. I have been a little sick the past week and I'm just barely getting over it, but my voice sounds horrible. So we are going to do a fun project today that I have been meaning to do for a very long time. I'm finally going to clean out these little flower beds that I have here, and I've got tons of bulbs that I want to go ahead and plant. And these bulbs are both going to be for fall and then spring for next year. So I need to go to the garage and get a hoe so I can go ahead and get all these weeds out, and then we're going to start planting. Now that I have the garden bed all cleaned up, I found the perfect spot to put the wisteria plant. Because this can be toxic to animals and it is very invasive, I decided not to put it up by the house. Instead, I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to let it climb up this pole, and it should be a really pretty spot for this wisteria plant. And as you drive by it, you'll see it. First thing you'll see. So I think this will be a good spot for this wisteria plant. So I'm going to go ahead and plant that first, and then I will put the flowers around it. I've got this auger that hubby bought me, so I'm going to use it for the first time. Go ahead and drill a hole so I can go ahead and plant this plant. I had to come out a lot further than I wanted to because that pole is cemented and it was cemented pretty far out. That's the closest I can get to the pole without hitting cement. But we'll see if this thing lives. I saw a little bit of a root that was brand new, so hopefully it's still alive. We'll water it in really good after we get done putting in the rest of the bulbs, and hopefully in a couple weeks we'll see some life. Now that I've gone and planted all the bulbs, I'm going to go ahead and put some of that soil that I got in town on top, and then we're going to go ahead and top the soil with some mulch. So let's go ahead and do that. And I also picked up some bulb tone, and this is specifically for your bulb flowers. So after I put the soil on top, I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle this on there, and then we'll go ahead and put the mulch on top of that. Alright, so I got that flower bed all done. I have one more that I need to do over here, and then I have another big one that I'll probably have to do on another day. So let's go over to this other one, get this one done, and then probably call it a night. They're coming. Every time I start digging, they come, they find me. And they're from way over there. They saw me digging. Little vultures. Alright friends, we are done. I finished this flower bed and I finished the one that was over there. I put the mulch on top just to combat any weeds. I don't want any weeds coming up in my flower bed, so hopefully this will stop them, and it'll make it easier if they do pop up for me to go through and pull them out. Mulch is a great way to get rid of weeds. Alright friends, so thanks for stopping by the homestead with me as I get to some planting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.